Hey guys, Thomas Innovative Mind. And you guys are actually seeing this video this week, but I actually am editing this video this week because our computer had to go and get repaired, so we won't be getting a weak signal or no Wi-Fi at all. Our computer had to be repaired, so I am editing this video late. I'm gonna try my best to get it out to you guys this week. Now I did get my computer back. It's already set up for YouTube and Facebook standards. But the guy that the computer was delivered by FedEx. By the way, this video is not sponsored by FedEx, by the way. But the FedEx driver was like very kind. See, he would not leave my front door until I opened it and received the package because he was so concerned about the porch pirates. So that was really good. So it did get recorded to my front doorbell camera. So I'm gonna play the clip for you in just momentarily. Hello?
Thomas.
Yeah, that would be me.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for... Here we are back at this fire alarm. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the pole station. 11 degrees today in the garage, but that's all good. But the thermostat is turned off at the moment. That's because we're almost in the summer months, and this thing can go off very easily when it's very hot in the garage, so don't want it going off when I'm home alone. So not when I'm home alone, but when I'm out somewhere. So that's the reason why the thermostat is turned off at the moment. But the thermostat is locked. The thermostat is as well too. So let's go ahead and pull the pulses, shall we? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Just went off. Gonna get the pole station key right here and open it up. There's a switch right here that we have to push up and we lock the pole station. Now we gotta go down to the thermostat. Get the thermostat lock case key. And yes, all these locks were recently lubricated. That's why everything's all dirty and all that. We'll open up the thermostat, which you're gonna simply turn it on and turn the heat all the way down. Sorry, the thermostat all the way down. There we go. We're gonna reset the thermostat by just hitting the 1 button. So it is reset to 37. We're gonna turn it back off. The reason being, like I said, because of summer months, it can get really hot in the garage, and I don't want this thing going off when I'm not at home. But we're gonna just put the lock case back on, take the key out, and there we go. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, my social medias will be in the description below. Thank you.